Today we will tour 978 East Corral Street in Avondale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Avondale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Avondale. Welcome to this stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. The kitchen offers a center island, great appliances, and ample cabinet space. This lovely home spans 2,387 square feet and features carpet and tile flooring. It is conveniently located near Phoenix Goodyear Airport and the Goodyear Ballpark. With easy access to I-10, this property boasts a low-maintenance desert landscape, a 2-story layout, and a 2-car garage. In addition, this home offers ample space, including a spacious loft/game room, making it perfect for entertaining or relaxation. And as you can see, the bedrooms come with ceiling fans to keep you cool and comfy year-round. Here we have a lovely full bathroom fitted with a tub shower combo. And here is another spacious bedroom, fitted with ample closet space to fit all your belongings. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. And finally, here is the primary bedroom with its own private bathroom. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Inquire today.